28, and 9 in exact order. For 3D Lotto, we have 0, 6, and 0 in exact order. For 4D Lotto, we have 6, 6, 7, and 5 in exact order.
Para naman sa Mega Lotto 645, we have 41, 14, 5, 36, 29, and 27 in any order for the jackpot prize of 12,040,346 pesos and 20 centavos net of the agent's prize commission. Finally, sa ating Ultra Lotto 658, we have 5, 30, 19, 43, 51, and 50 in any order for the jackpot prize of 258,660,000